I am Aline from Brazil. I was invited to show you a recipe that I like. As English is my second language, I will speak just in English today. Hope you enjoy! Today we're gonna make a very simple and delicious recipe. We're gonna make chocolate cookies, but it's a special type because it does not have dairy or gluten. For those who don't know what a gluten is a protein found on wheat. For the cookies we will need these ingredients: rice flour, about 1 cup and a quarter, almond flour, about 1 cup, a half spoon of bicarbonate, an egg, and butter. Butter we can use like 100 grams, which is half of this packet. Remember, always use butter without salt because it's a sweet recipe, right? To sweeten, we will use today xilitol and brown sugar, right? Then you just put all the ingredients together and start to mix with your hands. It's important to say that as is a healthier cookie version, we prefer to use natural sweeteners like xilitol, or you can use stevia. I prefer to use brown sugar because it gives a more beautiful color to the cookies, I think, and it's healthier than the common sugar. It's healthier because the brown sugar does not have the refinement process, which maintains the nutrients, and also we don't have the chemical substances added to it. We continue to mix with your hands until we have this beautiful and consistent dough, right? Now it's ready to fill. As I said before, you can fill with whatever you prefer. Today I am using dark chocolate. I just love dark chocolate and it's healthier than milk chocolate. Coconut. I use cocoa and cinnamon too. You can mix in the way you please. And after we will do the little balls. So now we do the balls, put on the pan, and it's ready to go to the oven. It's important to remember that our cookies will grow, so we need to leave a space between them. About the oven temperature. It's hard to say because each oven has a different temperature, but I suggest we start with 200 degrees. In Brazil we use Celsius degrees. And now we wait about 30 or 40 minutes. Always taking a look at the cookie. Now our cookie is ready to eat. Look how delicious is it. It's important to say there is not a low-carb recipe. There is butter and sugar, and so you should appreciate carefully. Now we just enjoy your cookie.